Hi guys, Kyle with HogWorkz here. Today we're going to be showcasing our tour pack storage and mounting solutions. HogWorkz offers a variety of sizes, pads, and hardware options to best suit your luggage needs. Our tour packs come pre-assembled and are quick and easy to install. Now you can equip your 97 and up touring model for the long haul. To install your HogWorkz tour pack, you'll first need a bike-specific tour pack mount and hardware, as well as docking hardware. We have both available for purchase on hogworkz.com if you do not already have them. The first step is to install your metal base plate on the inside of the tour pack. Insert the supplied bolt through your metal base plate. Then install the tour pack mount through the back side using the supplied nuts. Affix the tour pack mount using the supplied bolts and nuts. Hand tighten and then fully tighten using a socket. Now that we have the tour pack mount mounted to the tour pack, it's time to install this bad boy on the bike. Install the tour pack mount on the front portion of the docking hardware. Now engage your quick detach clamps.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.